Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing on my custom-made aluminum radiator filler neck. Um, as many of you guys probably know already from watching my previous videos, I hate plastic parts, especially for the cooling system. And my reason is because plastic parts, especially for the cooling system, over time they will deteriorate, crack, break, or anything, and that's because the chemicals that's in the radiator fluid pretty much destroys the plastic parts on the car. That's why I think it's better to get aluminum parts because they'll last forever. You don't have to worry about the chemicals breaking down the metal as compared to the plastic parts. But let's get to it and do the unboxing. So so it's a product. It's the same people I use to make my custom thermostat housing. So let's take this off the plastic. Here's the finished product. They did a pretty good job. So that's it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.